If you're experiencing audio desync issues on your Xbox Series X, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. This guide will help you adjust settings to improve your gaming experience. Step 1. Check your HDMI connection. Ensure that your HDMI cable is securely connected to both your Xbox Series X and your TV or audio receiver. A loose connection can cause audio delays. Step 2. Adjust audio settings. Go to the Xbox settings by pressing the Xbox button on your controller. Navigate to Settings, then General, and select Volume and Audio Output. Here, you can adjust the audio output settings to match your setup. Step 3. Enable Audio Sync. In the same Volume and Audio Output menu, look for the Audio Output section. If available, enable the Audio Sync feature to help align audio with video playback. Step 4. Test different audio formats. Still in the audio settings, try changing the audio format from stereo and compressed to bitstream out or vice versa. This can sometimes resolve desync issues depending on your audio equipment. Step 5. Restart your console. After making changes, restart your Xbox Series X to ensure that all settings are applied correctly. This can help refresh the system and resolve any lingering audio issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve audio desync problems on your Xbox Series X. If issues persist, consider checking for system updates or consulting support for further assistance.